Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner from the early 1980s, one of my favorite old programming books I had when I was a kid for my favorite old computer system, the TI-99 4A Home Computer. We're going to read the program description, which is very short here, type the very short program into the TI basic function of the Classic 99 emulator. Run the program, look at it, see what we can make it do, if anything, and continue our journey through 101 programming tips and tricks. Okay, let's read the program description, very short. Number 30, marching numbers. This little program does a big job. It creates the unusual display of numbers from 1 to 9 marching across the screen. Try it. You'll like it. Okay, I will try it, and I'm sure I will like it. Very short program. So let's not belabor this. Okay, you can see there's only 6 lines to the program here. So 10, call clear, that clears the screen. 20 x equals 0, 30 x equals x plus 1, just incrementing the variable, 40 if x is greater than 9, then I think back to 20, okay, 50, print x, the semicolon, and make sure it prints everything on the same line. So the semicolon does there. And 60, go to 30. So very simple program. But it's going to be cute. The numbers are going to march across the screen. Alright, let's clear the screen. I always do this, list it out. Make sure there are no obvious errors. So 10 call clear, 20 x equals 0, 30 x equals x plus 1, 40 if x is greater than 9, then go back to line 20, 50 print x, 60 go to 30. Okay, let's run this. There we go. Numbers are going to march across the screen. In rank and file, it looks like. Okay. So that is all this program does. Yep, okay, let's give it a run one more time. Here we go. Numbers marching across the screen. Good times, huh? I love the description. Try it. You'll like it. I do like it. I love these little cute things you can make the TI-99 4A do. Alright. Well, that was the very simple program, Marching Numbers, program number 30 for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A. This is from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. In fact, let's clear the screen, get a nice little look at the program. I'm just going to let this run while I'm giving my spiel here. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, CozyAzeroth. There you can find lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, working on a retro video game right now in Pico 8. You can see some videos of that. Miscellaneous educational content on topics of interest to me professionally and personally, and also a lot of World of Warcraft live streaming these days. If you're watching this on Twitch, same thing, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. And if you're watching this on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel if you want to see me streaming live on all the above topics. In either platform, I really appreciate likes and subscriptions. Subscriptions in particular really help me out in these difficult times, trying to make ends meet. So I really appreciate the time watching the video and likes and subscriptions. Thank you very much, and I will catch everyone in the next video. And I'm going to peek ahead here Superior decision maker. I don't know what that is yet. I don't quite remember from when I was a kid. We're going to check out superior decision maker next. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.